What's up, YouTube? Welcome to more trades. This is another update on Solana. Solana has been moving up fairly well, but it's been relatively holding compared to what Bitcoin's doing. But that's how the market works. We see it a lot of times that when Bitcoin moves, when large caps move, the smaller altcoins hold. And once that move is done, and money moves into the alts, it pushes it higher. At the moment, other alts have made it up and have also retraced. Solana probably has made the move before them, so now it's just cooling off to see and anticipate the next move. Today we're going to have some more important news, earning reports for the Bank of America, I believe JP Morgan, and we also have options expiry today. So it's going to be an interesting day. We might see volatility. It's end of the week, so usually end of the week is take profits. So does that mean a retrace to the downside to take profit on this move up? I'm going to show you the levels to watch out for in case we have that move up or move down. And if you want to be updated as quick as possible, join the free Discord. Link is in the video description and in the channel description. And subscribe to the channel, like the videos if you do. Okay, Solana has made this move up from down here, and it could be a completed fifth wave up. And we might have a retrace. Our retrace for this move, which was fairly large. I mean, if I take a trend-based fib, we've exceeded all expectations. We didn't expect this high from Solana when we were down here. Let's zoom in. And we can see that Solana, yeah, just about there. This wave move up was an extensive wave. I mean, we overstretched it. It's hard to count, but we could still be in a bigger wave count. If we look at it in the 4-hourly, it's a bit more clear. We could say we had a 1-2, another 1-2, and this was a third, fourth, and fifth, completing the third wave, and we could be retracing for a fourth wave down that could take us down 1-2, 1-2. Yeah, so this 1-2 was the initial 1-2, but then we had another 1-2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5. Looking at this looks more like a bigger wave 3. I could say this was a 1, this was my 2, this was my 3, 4, and 5 could be done. And that could complete one wave. So if we're ultra bullish, we could say, okay, that was one wave and we're coming down for a 2. This is being bullish. The wave 2 should not exceed the $9 range. I know that sounds very bearish, but that would just mean that we're going to have even a larger move up. Now, micro counting this, if we dissect this, if we look at the volume for starters, this move down, the volume is declining on the 4-hourly, showing that this could be a corrective move. Now, once we start moving up in volume, we could tell that it is a impulsive move. We could still have one more leg up before continuing higher, but over here, I can also see another set of 1, 2, and the wave 3 has gone all the way to the 4.786. That's a very large wave 3. Now, to give you levels to watch for starters, on the daily time frame, We have the 100 EMA coming down. It's at 19,266, along with a level where we sold off from, which will be liquidity level at around 18,343. 343. So this zone would be an important zone that I think we could retrace to, and it would be the first time we've done this since April. November 2022. We haven't done it, and every time we've done it, we either peaked above it, then dropped. You could see it here. Peaked above it, dropped. It is possible to spike above it and hold there. This is on the daily, so you see we could be there for several days. We went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in April. Then we started declining. Once we lost it, then we came down. Other times we just tested and failed. Like here, we were up there for 2 days, then we came down. Now we're getting there. If we get there, that's a level to watch. My next levels to watch is the 18,343 and the 19.2. 18.3, 19.2 to the upside for resistance. Getting above them and getting support, that is going to be bullish. I would love to see Solana come above 18.3, consolidate, and while it does that, the 100 EMA would be coming down and would get above it and shoot up. That's the initial levels for Solana. However, there are higher levels at 25.7. Would still be in a downtrend even if we get up there. The value area high of this bigger range is at around 32, call it 32.5. Now where we are at the moment for Solana, we are at a volume node. Over here you could see price is at 16,544. That's a volume node. That's what's holding us up. And over here we sort of have a gap. So if we are able to just go above 16.861, if we can make it above that, there's nothing really above that. And 18.9, $19, you have a vacuum all the way up to say 28. Can we get there? It doesn't look like it at the moment, but anything is possible. To the downside, we need to hold the $15 range. The $15, the 14.968. If we come down, we need to hold it. Next level to watch for is the POC. That is at 13.6. Losing that brings you down to the 10.7. Now that sounds simple. Trading should be kept simple. Don't complicate it so much. Those are the levels. Just watch what Solana does at those levels. If you get a move up, we could get a move up to here and possibly spike up, and it would seem like a liquidation spike and a swing failure, and the trade should be short. But just pay attention on smaller time frames. What are we doing? Go down even to the 1 minute. Check it out. See what is it doing at this level. Once we start getting up here and opening 4-hourly candles, then it could be we could have higher potential. But losing those levels to the downside, I think if we lose this level 15, it could be significant, because as you notice, when we came up very bullishly with strong candles. Coming down would be wouldn't be that good. Let's pull up some EMAs and see where's our 50. At the moment, the 50 EMA, we're resting on it. It's at around 16.2. And we're struggling to get above that 16.8, $17 range, where I showed you that we have essentially a volume node over here. Let me go and show you it again. Right over here. 16.4, 16.5. It goes all the way to here. 16.8. We have this and this. Yeah, so that's for Solana. It looks like it's completing a 5-wave move up. You may get a pullback, which will flip the whole market again bearish on Solana, only to continue higher. But an important level is a retrace. If I want to take a retrace of this entire move, as I told you, $9 is significant. If we get that, then it will be too late. $10, you've missed the whole entire move. So you don't short the lows, you short the highs. You look for levels of confluence where you have horizontal resistance, and sometimes you have EMAs lying out there, and that will be a good point to enter possibly a short or a long. Hope you like the video. A bit too long. uh, Subscribe to the channel, like the videos. More trades. I'm out.